Hi guys, welcome back to Robertson's Belly Acres.
Hey guys, it's overcast and a little chilly, but once we get started working, we'll warm right up.
That's not too bad. It's 50 degrees here in northeast Oklahoma. Like she said, overcast. They're calling for rain into the week, so what better time to be out and start tearing down the garden and get ready for the new year.
Yep, we're gonna get started right over here like we talked about the other day on the other video. I'll put a link up in the corner for that. And so first things first, this parsley, I never expected it to just make it this long. As you can see, it's died out and then come back and died out and come back. And so I don't want to mess it up. So I'm going to go ahead and transplant it and probably move it inside, which will probably kill it just because, you know, it's when you don't really care that they thrive, I guess. So I'm going to move it in. I will probably try to move these. This is mint. It's I think it's like a lavender mint that it's coming back as well. The rest of these little things that I've planted herbs in, oh well, that might have something coming up. Yep, has stuff might be coming up, so I may have to. That's just weeds. And I used to have written on them what was in them, and now I don't remember because that's washed off. Pretty sure this is just weeds too. I'm not sure. I had cumin out here and some different things, but I definitely want to transplant that parsley just because it's tried so hard to make it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And meanwhile, Rusty's going to take down this fence so we can get in here with the skid steer. And then we'll start tearing these beds apart and moving some of this. Some of this is our manure that we'll have to scrape out and probably bring back. We also have some compost that we want to move up. But anyway, Rusty's working so hard, I better get my button gear and get these transplanted so we can start tearing things apart. Cody's just standing there like a statue. So we're going to get him moving too. Robertson's Belly Acres, there's always stuff going on, always stuff to get done. So we're going to go and look and see what Grandma and Grandpa have been working on. Right, Mom?
Right.
So we've had all these benches out here that need to be redone. Some of them we got from Rusty's brother and some of them we picked up at an auction. But my parents have been working on this one. You want to show us what you've done, Mom?
Look what Dad made here.
Wow.
Remember, I just had a little piece from here to
yes.
here, and he did this one.
He made, that's pretty. Got it fit just right,
yeah.
With some reclaimed wood.
Yeah.
Okay, so Dad, if you will explain what you did to redo this one.
This is the floor that was on it.
The seat. Yeah.
So took those off, bought new boards, drilled new holes, put them in, put new bolts up here on top
You made this.
to hold it, made this to fit the metal there. And there it is.
It's beautiful. Cody, go sit on it, see if it falls.
Well, me and Mom both 300 pounds, over 300 pounds, and we didn't break it.
Look at that.
What?
Mom, it was caving in, Mom.
It was not.
I swear, Mom.
Okay, so I'm going to sit on it now.
It felt like it was caving in, Mom.
He's always our comic relief. Okay, so I'm going to leave them to continue refurbishing those benches. It's going to be really nice to have those to be able to sit around the fire over there on these cooler evenings. I hear the skidster, so I bet Rusty's already started leveling and clearing out, so we'll watch that, see what's up. he made pretty short work of that. Clearing that out. I'm going to take these boards and put them in the back of that truck so we can haul it on down to the pit. If the dirt would be good underneath all of that, but I wish y'all could smell that. It is just so beautiful. We want to start planting stuff right now. So what we'll probably do is, Rusty said,
go ahead and do is we'll take all this dirt that I'm going to go ahead and reclaim it. I'm going to put it over here in a separate pile from what I just put over there. That first pile is mainly manure. It's got a little bit of compost in it, leaf compost, and most of the manure. This good topsoil I'm going to put in a separate pile that we can kind of blend them together before we come in, and we'll start regrowing our veg with that.
he's gonna pop this one up. It looks pretty good, actually. The boards don't look rotted from up here. So if they're not too bad, we can just reclaim those and use them in our new beds. So let's see what happens, see if it's good. I mean, it doesn't look terrible on the bottom. So we may actually be able to reuse that. If you're looking at it closely, it's not going to work. It's pretty rotted on the bottom. Hey guys, so we are quite literally at an impasse I mean, literally, we cannot pass past this point. This is my strawberry bed, and if you look down in here, you see all those pretty new growth, and as long as I keep it covered and away from the frost, they'll do great. This is our 3rd year with this bed, and last year we got some decent sized strawberries from it. This year I really want it to flourish. Here's the issue. That bed needs to be those boards need to be replaced as well, and with it going this way, it does not go with the rest of what we're planning on doing. So we have to come up with an idea or how to get around these strawberries. We talked about leaving them around, not over. And you just stepped in my strawberry bed.
It's okay.
Yeah, the cats are quite a bit
Is that a fat
lighter on their feet.
joke? Is that a fat joke?
No. Listen, so we've got to figure this out. So we're going to work on this for a second. All right, Rusty has a plan.
I got a plan. Might not work, but it's what we're going to try. We'll go ahead and pull our forms up, or our wood boxes. Try to get them off. The top one is in really good shape. We just replaced it last year. I did get a hold of it a little bit on the corner, looks like. So pull that one out. The bottom one is going to have to come in pieces. But we'll try to come in here at the skidster, and I can take big chunks of this, scoop it down, move with the skidster, and we'll cut it in like 4 pieces. I'll scoop it up, I'll take it out by the trees, set it for now, get all this leveled up, get the rest of these beds pulled out, then we can go out there, scoop them up, bring them back in, and lay them kind of like sod where we want them at, and we'll just we can build our boxes around them.
The only thing that I'm concerned about is that dude right there.
Oh, yeah.
We'll have this done today. That dude has got to stay away.
Just an idea of how established they are getting. Look at all those really pretty roots. I really don't want to have to start over, but you know, if we have to, it's not the end of the world, but Rusty's going to try to make it happen. The kitty's going to be in for a surprise. He doesn't move. Yeah, he did. He caught something. Well, there went the first half. We have Mama out here guarding the strawberry patch. This Concho's being pretty sneaky. all the beds out. Rusty was able to successfully move the strawberries out and then back in. They are a little rolled. We just set them here for right now. I'm hoping they're going to make it. I hope they don't stress out. Well, that pretty much sums up our first
Day one is in the books.
day of the garden cleanup.
Hopefully we can get back out here in the next couple days. Got couple jobs to go do the next few days, so hopefully we can get those knocked out and get right back home so we can get it done.
Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this. We're going to keep trudging along on this, and we'll keep videoing when we can. And so just follow along, subscribe.
Hit the bell button.
Yeah, hit that bell, share with friends. And till next time, God bless.
God bless.